So guys, please and please, if you've not subscribed, click the subscribe button, like and share. Now take a look at this Euro USD. This was a move we were all waiting for, right? It was a move we once talked about. If we are now that we've had this drop, now let's see it this way. Well, we all predicted that we will be dropping, right, and a pullback will occur, and guess what, we actually had the pullback on the 28th. So we would want to see where we would be moving for the next day. So guys, where do you think this price will be having this bullish move? I personally still feel we would have this bullish move to this key area level here. So I am still seeing a bullish move on our Euro USD. Now I'm going to tell you why I said so. Now, to be able to predict this price movement properly, let's take a look at it from the weekly time frame. Now take a look at the weekly time frame on our Euro USD. There's only one movement we are all seeing, right? We are seeing a bearish move downward on this Euro USD. Our 10-period moving average is what I applied here. So 10-period moving average is a bearish move. The price is below 10-period moving average. We have to short it, right? Now let's see it on the daily time frame. Now this is a movement I want you guys to see. There's only one movement we are seeing on the daily time frame, right? We are bearish now. We saw that actually we actually once range within this area where price came to this area, it bounces up, it came again to this area. So we actually kind of had a breakout of it. The price give us a little bit of a pullback to test this area, and now we had another drop, right? So basically, after this drop we've had, we are going to be having a pullback again. That is exactly what we talked about, and guess what, we actually added will I say today on the 28th. So the next day, which is 29, we are trying to look at this analysis for we will continue to still go bullish. So basically we would want to see this bullish move to take out this level here. This level we all can see, yeah, that is, I would say, a level of 0.98141. Like I said, a level of 0.98141. That should be giving us about 70 pips, because I can see here from here currently of this movement to that place is 76 pips, but we can just assume it's 70 pips, and possibly after the price gets to the level we want to see a pullback, and again price will actually push up again to take out this level. This is exactly what I am saying, to take out this level. Reason why I said so is that if we are to look at this USD index, guys, this is the USD index for all USD pairs. Now if you have to zoom it out on this daily time frame, I'm using the daily time frame, there's only one movement we are seeing, a bullish move, right? So we saw this USD index has actually been going bullish. This ice actually broke the previous ice here, right? This new ice here broke this previous ice. Another ice we had here, this ice broke the previous ice, and now this is the new ice. Of course, once we are having a bullish move, right, we are having uptrend, we are on an uptrend move, of course we would see an impulse move and a correction, impulse move, and let's just start it from here. This was an impulse move, guys, we had here. So this was a correction that was made here. So we've had another impulse move, huge upward. So now we are currently on a correction. So is the correction over? Definitely not. We would want to still see the correction, maybe possibly till Friday, guys. So we would want to be seeing this correction maybe Thursday and Friday, possibly Thursday and Friday. So basically, as this USD index is dropping, then any other pairs we are trading to our USD will actually go bullish, which means our euro to our USD will give us that bullish move. So there's one first movement we should take out first. It is this current movement, which will be giving us close to 80 pips. Let's just assume, from this current movement to the place we have alighted is 76 pips. We can aim it as 80 pips. Then after it gets to 80 pips, a pullback should occur, then another bullish move. Now take a look at it to better understand this movement on the 4-hour time frame, guys. See it now on the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this, right? We saw a pullback, right? A price, actually we saw price came to this level here, then a pullback occurred, right? So we had this drop, right? This drop. So we are now having a pullback now. So basically, no, price actually dropped again. Now we've now had this huge pullback. You can see that this pullback has actually broken above this previous pullback level here. So price has broken above it. Now we would want to see this price rally up again. So we want to see it rally up to this next level. This is the next level we've highlighted here. This is the next level we want to see this Euro USD to push up to. That from here to there will be giving us about the 76 pips we are all talking about on the 4-hour time frame. 76 pips close to 80 pips. Then after that 80 pips, then we should see a drop to test this level, this previous level where price broke above this previous pullback. Price broke above, we should see it come down, test the level, and if again we are to continue to go bullish on our Euro USD, then you see that impulse move that will break above it and take out this next level here again, which is a level of 0.98920. So again, for this movement we are all aiming for is actually a bullish move. So this bullish move is a pullback level we are all waiting for. So guys, as now we've added this movement upward, we should actually see to roll up to the next level, which is this. That will be giving us about 80 pips. So guys, if we can grab 80 pips for the day, then fine, that will be it on our Euro USD.